Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Viennese. I'm so happy you're here today, tonight, whatever time you're watching this video. Today we're just going to be talking about minimal makeup. For this makeup look, I only use a few products and it only takes me under 5 minutes to complete if you don't include my eyebrows. If you're interested in a makeup look like this, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is put on some lip balm. This is the Summer Fridays Vanilla Beige. And I really like this. The first thing I want to tell you guys is when you're doing a minimal makeup look, your eyebrows, I know a lot of times we want to do it quick, but it really depends on certain things. Like if your eyebrows are already thick and you don't need to groom them a lot, then your makeup look going to be quicker. If you need to fill in your eyebrows, then your makeup process is going to be longer. So this is a quick minimal look, but I went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera because I do fill my eyebrows in and that takes longer. So just keep in mind that if you're going to be doing your eyebrows, it is going to add to the amount of time to do your makeup. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to use this right here. This is the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer. It is the matte version and I really like this because this just gives me coverage I need without going overboard. Then I just take my beauty blender and I'm just going to blend that out. You're kind of just spreading this out, kind of like foundation, but to me it's just quicker. I'm kind of just spreading that out over any blemishes that I want to cover up, and that's it. And what I love about this concealer is that you don't even have to set it. I'm not even going to set it with powder. I'm just going to leave it as is. And it still gives you this really pretty coverage. So one thing I always like to do, even if it's a quick makeup look, is bronze up. And I'm using the Juvia's Place Bronze Deep Dark. You guys, this is nothing new on my channel. You know, I always use this one. And this is the dark collection. And I'm just bronzing up my cheekbones, my forehead. Changing up my brush, I'm going to use that same bronzer. I'm just going to go over my eyelids with that same color, this top color right here. You can probably hear me better because that air just cut off. And using that same bronzer, I'm also going to go into that same color and I'm going to kind of bronze my nose. It's just nothing too detailed. Like so. Then I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild Precious Petals, also something that I use all the time. And I'm going to highlight my nose, the center of my nose, my tops of my cheekbones, over my lip just a little bit, and over my eyes. I'm just highlighting areas that I want to glow. You don't have to do all these areas. It just depends on what you like. And guys, would you believe I'm almost finished? I mean, this is minimal. This is for the girls out there that don't want to do all the steps, but you just want something simple. I've literally only used concealer, bronzer, highlighter, and of course I did my eyebrows off camera, so whatever you need for that. But this is it. Then I'm going to do my lips. I'm going to go in with the MAC Chestnut. I'm going to wipe off this lip balm that I put on because it's pretty glossy. Then we're going to go in with our Wet n Wild. I like to use color 111401. It's just a pretty like pinkish nudish color. I love it. And then I'm going in with my Color Icon lip gloss by Wet n Wild, color 677. This is a new lip gloss that I found and I love. It has shimmer in it. So if you don't like shimmer, you might not like this one, but sometimes I want to change it up and it has this pink shimmer in it. I'm going to go back over a little bit. Then I'm going to go in with my powder. This is Zaria and it's made by Juvia's Place. This is also optional. You don't have to do this, but if you want to kind of take the shine away and set in the concealer that you used, you can go over top really quick, just dusting that all over my face. And guys, that is it. This is my completed look. So if you want something simple, minimal, I literally only use concealer. And you don't even have to use these same products that I use, but if you want to, I will link all the products I use down below. But all you need is concealer that covers up, a highlighter. I use a lip combo product that I like. To each his own. Everybody likes different products, but you can do your makeup very simple without a million steps. I like doing a million steps sometimes, and then some days, a lot of days, I like doing minimal makeup like this. And yeah, I hope this helped you out if you are one of those people that just like minimal makeup, or if you're like me and like both, but you just like different looks, you know? It just depends on your mood. It depends on what kind of person you are, what you like. I love how it came out, just super simple. You guys saw what I did. It was nothing. This look takes me under 5 minutes to do, so if that's the kind of look you like, then this is definitely what I would recommend. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you'll be here for any more videos that I do. I love this community that is continuing to grow. I love you. Jesus loves you, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.